This is a quick video to show you how to change any of the settings for your assignments so that you can change all of, say, your homework assignments at one time. Maybe you want to add the number of submissions that your students have per assignment or whatever you would like to do in it. So the first thing you're going to do is come to your home page and find the class that you'd like to work in. I'm going to work in the master course. I'm not actually going to save it because it's on the default homework template right now, which gives you 5 submissions per problem. But I'll show you some of the things you can change and then how to apply that to all of your assignments at once. So the first thing you're going to do is choose any of the assignments that you would like to change. So I'm just going to choose one of the homework assignments here on the home page and click Edit. And it brings you to this edit window here. Notice it's set on the WebAssign default template. Okay, so first things first is you want to edit an assignment template. The first thing that you have to do is create a duplicate of what type of assignment you're going to be working with. So I'll just choose homework and make a duplicate of that template. And I've actually already got a duplicate, so I'm just going to call this number the second one that I've done. I'll duplicate of homework 2. So and it tells you on that default template what you have available. So 5 submissions, displays, hints, and tutorials and such. And it lists the category that it's in. Okay, this is where you can change the number of submissions allowed. So say you want infinite amount of submissions. I don't personally want my students to have that because unlike my math lab, it does not change the problem for them. But, if you would like to, you can go up to 100. And that should be plenty for your students. So you've got all of these things you can work with here. Randomization, it uses different values for each student, and I think I've shown you in a previous video, whenever you see red numbers listed in your problem, those are the values that are changing for each student. And I've discovered that they have about 5 to 10 iterations of each of their problems. You can choose how it displays, and so on. So this is where you can decide when it's going to show hints, when it's going to give the answer to it. So like you could say, I want the answer to show after a specific number of submissions, let's say 2. However, if they have 5 chances on the question and you show the answer after 2, it's going to show the answer. And then all they have to do is get to the 3rd submission and put the answer in. So be careful about what you choose to do here. You can also give penalties. So let me open this up. Bonus or penalties, you can edit here. So I believe somebody was asking me about how to do an overall penalty for late submission. And let's see. Based on early. Okay, so I don't think this is where you can do a late submission. Brent knows how to do that, though. I don't give them the ability to submit after the due date. So I'll look into that and do another video on that. But this is going to just change your template for how they can submit, how many times, what's available to them as help aids. And then when you get done changing your template, you're going to hit save. Now, if I want to assign that to that new homework, so we've got WebAssign default 2 here. I come out here to apply to. So this is if I want to assign it to more than just the one assignment that I'm working on or working within. Then you have to come down here and figure out which one of these assignments you want to apply it to. And this is going to have all of your assignments. If you have tests and quizzes in there, you can't just check this up here and assign it to all of them because it's going to believe. I don't know. These all say, oh yeah, there's the quizzes and tests. So you're going to have to choose the ones that you want it to go to. And once you click all of the assignments that you want it to go to, at the very bottom, you have apply template. I'm not going to do this because I don't want to change the master course, but that's how you can apply a new assignment template to multiple assignments at the same time. Hope this was helpful for you. Just let me know if you have any questions.